táisí sin go ceast agus faighinn mas na héideach Rachaibh ar mo chláin sin. An tuaithe stormtrooper an gcuirt. Díreach an dachas gan táisí na stream na gopad an a becan. Seo sin. Is an Jade mo chláin sin go ceist ina thea. An Jade. Colas nach Jade mo chláin sin iad. Oh, no, I mute. Never mind. Ceist. Agus táiscí sin go ceist, duine mí sin. Agus... so... Cha nach a hain, so dír a scoil mí fis ar Twitter agus ruútan mar sin. Powerful enough to rip arms out of sockets. Ceist. Seo sin. Janu scoil ar Twitter. Sin Janu ascail ar Twitter éile. Mi Janu fhuair seo brísigh dúil a bheanna Dathomir an Jackin seachad ach mi Janu fhuair tílaigh ann as sé barach levels I dhéanú mar sinach. Sin scoilte ar Twitter. Agus scoil bec ar Facebook creideach. Ach, so it could be sin agus táisí sin. Fáilte leis go Rachaibh páiste 3 Jedi Òrdugh Crìon. Hello Sam, has a chat. Mi díochtál chur nerd céine na Thachair Cheana. Mar seo an teachcinn seo chai. Ionnsaich sin go bhfuil liosta ann dhaoine go bhfuil a fórsa. Agus ha sin feuchainn rís an liosta sin ein tra bhí a leantainn stiùireadh seann Jedi Eno Cordova? Eno Cordova? Cha chreid go bhfuil mi cínteach Jane tanna ma hiad. Heil sin in sin ar Dathomir agus bheith sin na bhrísigh dúil bec. Ach, chuir sin ann lightsaber da-thaobhach. Cimid ha mi gachlach sinné. Agus ha sin inis ar Zeffo, na mis mar sin an tanna ma hiad an áte seo. Far a seann chúltar a bheith eolach ar a fórsa. Agus an imparach ann cúteach chiú na stormtroopers man gúirt. Agus a chanéil sin bulach cínteach chusan na haiad san man gúirt áin agus ha mi really an dúil go bí boss fight acin an becan ma nachgus an darna piúd a dhíist. Nis sin tam sin teach gan haun ar a gom di céin céimid a ha fluiche an game a seo. Fairly lit she's on him. So hynny bwlach kind of catch a build card all. I mean stay in hynny. Ach sin ritner nach éú cloich cloiche game is an seachhain. I can't that of kind of a chrit mé go fachcha sin an áte seo. Turas mi dhéirigh. Ha sin í ar a scamp link. Sin a rit idir sin í ar Dathomir cúteach, so fé mi go bhfuil dá an sin a lara cuaite ar a flaine seo. Ach Am cheann na bhreachan ar díreach mus de háisigh mi seo a bhí gopaid iad alt académica sgaoileadh mar sin níomh bualadh an saoil Star Wars a dráasta ach cínteach go aimí ann. Díthe dá mé. Ó ag san éal fórsa push na púlach í agus go sin a dhí ar san i doras de sin agus sin fad a Rusin. Oh, stachas sús anna hin fad bhfuil an de Stormtroopers úla. Mar a dheomí ann. Hí sin. Haine nach chuir tronteachcin bhí mé clúich gemicin Star Wars etrialachte ag go bhfuil is go controls etrialachte. Mar sin na ra fiochaid rí lightsaber a chhlachtú haidíireach uan ha mí putin na cead. Oh, an tuamas rí larach ar a fáinete seo.
You're not getting out of here alive, Jedi. Talk all you want. I only need a few hits. I'm watching you.
Yes, she came a come up Bria hound. Graphics. Ni sem is mention fame come with Scomplink. And two of us written a canteen Scomplinky is mar sin we critic if I me good Scomplink at a flanche shop.
Come here, BD1.
Scomplink nya force push no cool tatting no. Oh, an ceol gathrath.
Oh, okay.
Maghail le BDN. New lightsaber sleeve acquired. Sgaoileadh. And again, she and Stach go fé cin nuair na seo. Was it? Oh no. Yeah, we each come out in the first in the hammer platformer. I shouted a Thachair Cheana mentioned. Hacker a casting again.
How'd you get down there?
Oh, wolf. Oh, wolf. Oh, wolf.
Where'd you go?
It's my hush me can tell him that lady can pick a this heck stormtroopers. I've got this maybe. Jedi. Wolf. You can terplach.
In accordance with the Emperor's will, we've occupied Zeffo, redistributing its inhabitants. This planet has failed to yield significant data or relics for Project Augur. Its electromagnetic winds have rendered the bulk of our mining technology useless. Meanwhile, more stormtroopers lose their lives to dangerous fauna. We will not be able to fulfill our directive here. It is my recommendation that we disband the project and leave a token outpost to keep scavengers from stealing our technology.
A token outpost. Sin ruút an sa bhfuil sin na drasta. Stachan nach bí boss man gúirt má.
Collect him! He's hit. End him.
Above. Sin spása.
I see you.
Chanach ní siúsa.
Oh, all right then. What's that you want?
Yeah. Páir stéilear san a saber salas. Oh, chatáin táin. Above. Oh. I can catch that. Oh, no, I shouldn't have that. We Kiri steigen uit spin. Fashing.
Oh, okay. What was in there?
First, hele is een lightsaber. I'll just state space again.
Cal, the Empire's pinpointed your location. You need to move fast.
On it. Thanks.
That's your son. Fauchad. Skill tree. I nearly gain could go lightsaber. Evasive kick, nya, sprint strike. Feuchainn, evasive kick. Suspension. Oh, how faighinn. Bhí sin féimeáil na Crìon. Agus gai sin big an fáis. Is faici sin. Gabhar sin. Robh. Oh, okay. Well, Ishi mar a hitchain leis an dachas nach aniu. Robh. Agus.
Just me?
Sin.
What are you doing here? Someone? Anyone? Help! We're next! I won't let you win! I hear you. I'll get you!
Oh, Vov. Sin. Has Barcel of a savage and einen and stormtrooper.
Oh, okay. Something was in there.
New mantis paint job. Eh. I said you'd get tell him. Got him. Ma ha beachan sa beach sa chat like fist ach. Got him na buie na Jedach na glass. You know, Jedach is glass. Ach. Ik vind me wel eens in more in Jeffers. Ach, het hem ik kan het vergeten, actually. Mario 64. Mario 3 if he gets scared.
I found something.
What do they know?
No mention of Cordova. I don't think the Empire knows he's been here.
Then we have the advantage. For now.
Let's tell him and kill. Tell him the Rachaibh fiction. Well, no topic.
That's interesting. We're on the right track.
Cheater bhil a cat. Ninja. Well, I know cuach sin a go más. Ach, ik een Ionnsaich mee aan haar.
Can't get through.
Cos na Ionnsaich. Oké, sin dal rash. Mooi. Ach, met alle richting. Ba slia hele aan. Ja. Koers. Machine aan haar. Ah, nee. Yeah. Okay. So this one. The sham, huh? So I shock ma had rammer ha written mar shock ma Metroid at bheil dar is glasje and the die Agus Rio cuach gevarach yo slietran skire. Oh, shall it. Thadhal
Something about it crippled the Empire's equipment. I can feel something pulling me there, beyond the storm.
Follow it. Let the Force sharpen your instincts.
All right. I'll do my best.
Shall in a bacon. More than human gorge. Ja. Experience sgaoileadh in your son's painkiller. Oh well. Yeah, come here, sure. Nope.
Huh. Another one of these. Wonder if they connect.
Edition. Cha tal a bhí savage na dhéann seo. Cute. Oh, agus hinne mi mad.
I need some meds, B1. Never seen a storm do that before. Yeah, it's incredible.
Oh, it's Talon Jin. Speed Talon Jin. How mad Jedi? Last Jedi. Oh. I shouldn't matter root. It Edo?
I cannot chase the Bogano fault from my mind. Its vision shaped the direction of an entire culture. I must understand why.
Mis mention go find me Shias an Thachair Cheana cuach tadding leis a force agus leis sin but has sin a faighinn barach agus barach Jenna the root and shaw ar an nuring good and cuach a sin a chlachú na cuach a sin Gosh.
I'm in the tomb. It's massive.
And the Empire?
No sign of them down here.
What about Cordova?
Still not sure what I'm supposed to find. He's a little...
Eccentric? Tell me about it. But he wouldn't send us here for his amusement. Keep an open mind.
Jedi. Lekin mission of Lucid? Yes. Oh no, it's Leantainn.
Did you see that? Ugh.
Oh. Yep. Eenmaal. Ionnsaich. Skungus. Avoid contact, move carefully. Wolf. Oh, she's lying. Oh, and go. Okay. Ah. Yeah. Sin. Sin. Éileir. Agus an fid chéitiigh sin spanna hin. Chanéal an gcuach. Go fáis sin. Oh, I can read it seo chlachtaí. Your son's was bow. Sure, cars Camera Zelda. Need a shot. Could me aid a faighinn. Ian? Nope.
There's not just wind rippling through these chimes. Voices from the past.
Oh, Rachaibh. Inertion. I can own cash give off him a shot. Yeah. Then, Ionnsaich. Oh, quest ahead.
Looks like these spheres are related to the sockets on the ground. What do you think, BD?
Sin nach go mutha ach ha féimeil go bhfuil sin ann gus an becan chuideachí chuir do réine. Sin exhibition gun. Bhla go sin I mean Now go there. Plus. Oh. Yeah, sure, kinda acum. Kinda, sure.
These were used in Zeffo meditation rituals. I think they were training Force users.
Essence. Ionnsaich. Leantainn Rachaibh airson a bhí gar leantainn. Sgaoileadh go bhfuil Genesis an treasamh seo bhith bhíonn de. From the cater in seo gamar hurricane is maslach. Oh, Vov.
Much better.
Look at hurricane shock. Oh well, chinka man's out. Eapasòd was an teama a seo. Á sin te bhéile ne te bhall bhalla. Ó go mí strep go teach. Hi faighinn cara, yeah, ha faighinn cara mar Zelda Agus mar gyda seo mar the Temple of the Winds ní orthu go mar sin. I need to go in mar seo. Nid yn bwlach, a pasg. Oh, okay. Jamie sin. Oh, guess. Dus niet get dash. Okay. Ja, geen lay made. Nope. Oh, okay. Heb ik nou aan met dat? Ga ik hem de koer kan ik hem wachten. Nope. Staat daar aan hem. Weet even waar gaat ik. Krijg meer. Ja. Is lijn. Shashing. Daar is no. Sgaoileadh seo. Dit. Dat kan groeisachí. Agus sgaoileadh fáis stim Rachaibh. So chrit we could be boss nu sé mar sem an gúirt an sa sgaoileadh seo ach chaine listen. Schön. Ich habe wie gut gemacht. Oh, Wolf. Oh, nope. Well, ik zie het vast en streamen hij zo. Misschien terug. Slash. Oh, J hem hier. Ja. Ik weet niet kan ik J een boot dan. We kan ik een boot terug. We zijn weer rij. Haar. We willen sjouwen. Never die again. Where's the noodle? Have on the rupees. Okay. My lame is me. Let you go, caught up with lame Marsha. Changing. Later. Oh. Research. Right. And tamam. Oh. Oh. Hopefully she can come out. Got a mechanical reaction. Tell him sure. Jay has shin. Close an addict. That's a good one, you know. Okay, feuchainn seo. Okay. Great, that's a demon gorge.
This lightsaber can't solve everything.
Okay. Oh, Wolf. Machine. Oh, Wolf. J. Yeah, Jen.
Everything okay, BD1? Glad to hear it.
Okay.
Seen that before?
Oh, Wolf. Nope. Nope. Tell him out. Nope. Not out. Gene. Slay. Oh, whoa. Definitely. Oh, Matt. Iron Man. Oh, how to nada. Oh.
Help! Stim!
Oh.
Scanning again?
So we can healing. Oh, oh. Tomb Guardian. Strong slow. Like I said in GN, like power core. When glowing, the power core can be removed. Automaton. It's telling me a chaw. It's fíorthalm a design as a game show. Yeah, if I is can talk a ruach poo sin as a chat. I don't fuck that shit. I don't know. Tomb Raider Kujak. Shouldn't game ile. Can bunny can game shochani.
Well done.
Jedi, ancient statues. Carved on the walls, Zeffo holding spheres. Stuck in the power cores da-thaobhach. Faighinn go rid again? Ja, vision er ga ik. Skill uur stachen. Oh, wolf. Okay.
Focus. Jedi do
Shall
not
there a rat
rush,
kill?
but we stand against it. The Force is there to shield us. The obstacles in your path define the path. What stands in the way becomes the way. Now, try again.
Teacher, RT.
Use the Force to push the ball at the target. Good. Continue. Faster now. Complete the test.
What stands in the way becomes
Just
the way.
push. What stands in the way becomes the way.
We did it.
Fhaighinn. Boss sin Guardian ile.
My friend, take a look at the detail on this bark. Distinctive striations. It can only be a Rocha tree from Kashyyyk.
Kashyyyk, van de
Time
Wookiees.
to call on an old friend. If the Zeffo had contact with Kashyyyk, there is a good chance Chieftain Thadhal will know about it.
Welke Kashyyyk? Dan gaan we het gaan nou weer hebben. Kashyyyk.
missed him!
Oof. Guy me. Okay. Jehan. Huh. Ilram's sarcophagus. Sage Ilram? Ilram? First of the Zeffo to establish a relationship with Kashyyyk. Stone Roshir. Look at that. Well. Destination unlocked. Shindalrek and Chewie. Yes. New skills available. Vov. And Tuavis. Ionnsaich. Max force is increased. Gains more force when he defeats an enemy. Holding push allows him to push groups. Jesha, stamina, max life increase. More life from stims. Automatically deflects blaster bolts while sprinting or wall running. Stop it. Deadly combo. Double saber. Special attacks. Sprint strike. Burst slow. Tension stalker. Mass push. Scania. Sgaoileadh began fáisceanna healcadeach. Midachas nach chéile an rit sin nach chúla vanist. No, a has Scania fhaighinn. Keiste an cimid a Yosin as an adjur leis a skill úrach. Force push. Since we can put the sin. Ah! Sin. Oh. Very loud for him. Cute of a fool like what you're thinking. Yeah. Still him shot. Awesome. Robh. Okay. Huh? Chink of my Star Wars. Thirst. Lav, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Rushing. Strap. Sé heise fercinn go maith. Go maith Zelda, ag ní a heise. Is sin a carta dom. Fercinn ar bí boss. Galma fercinn. Níos sin ra féim ag sin a bhí dal. Ach, níos ganas. We got lame hat is it. Everything in Ela is Lewis. Yeah. Ein Ritter shot it. Cool. Nicht ach. Nope. Should have been better. Nope. Okay. Gaan we in douchen, Jennifer? Aha. Token for Thank you. Okay. Seachad Zelda, so yeah.
Oh?
Wind chimes that.
This tomb is utterly fascinating.
Proving ground for force-sensitive Zeffo sages. The life wind. Oh. Ah. How should we get a show? Yeah, right. Ferele. Ja, maar recht. Christian. Gaan we ons een Crìon is seann good all. Oh, so na sitting gain bheil a chud bheil éile? Sure, yeah.
There's got to be another spear somewhere.
Yeah, sin go gra. Ach, a chris we could in gain an bheil a hias a harst an Lewis. Bowels down here. No. Better show these. Oh, fuck. Sparse of a car, I knew it. Fine. Yeah. Camera, you're missing. That's wie get BD. That time we cared there's on a sgaoileadh yeah, and get me the Star Wars I mean to be clear Star Wars Battlefront iga Rachaibh but Hannick Star Wars Battlefront iga blian a-nis an Agus I sgaoileadh Hur misha son Cheana not it's kind of son Cheana not ma ach I mean thinking person ha could you go near if I is get call us lechet not that on Beliatan Nacheliatan Bullock Talich ah yeah bow on the fashion how do you Diane bheil cosc bheile tailíte go leor a bhí tíreach san ad ach éireacht bhí in Star Wars Battlefront ga réarchalas an well seach gine dú ha character dal nach go gaan seach gine dú hé jacket chuig mar BB-8 agus is cíteach bhí sin éhín agus fáisal agus a cara chun céine chu go nuis ar se bheil ar Bogano ní sin tá a héad yeah oh mar sin agus nuair a liisiú nach cíteach bhí sin féime is me glúas is sin seo le slí na gaí look how oh yes hi how about yeah how about front yeah sparse ha my tar jigamichin EA ha giri hula cal ein yeah it's good costumes good some gach characters biakatri peg we baraka feg agus sin caran well I could have got him really okay sure okay I can see so Odd, then how much can gamma how many sons could be in gamer fat? Ounce of gamma? Like a book. Smashing. Yeah, I tell him really give it like a peg or something. Oh, chin and put the cat. Have we told you, let's you gamma shin good at G-Doc written cosmetic hound? Is that somehow Giri could be how Giri click mar Han Solo agus could be collis and fed off of a click on a solo air and actually Harrison Ford Hackatry peg or something how Giri on a game click so Battlefront 2 can you battle siad an na hen. Agus leis sin tíola sin gan bhuailach am is sin sin. Sin. Hi, so we told you a collis nach chéil it in a shorter at the end of
What did you find?
The Zeffo went to Kashyyyk. Cordova mentioned someone named Tarful.
A Wookiee chieftain. They were old friends.
Think he's still around?
There's only one way to find out. We have to go to Kashyyyk.
Well, sin dalca Kashyyyk. Nuair sin stacha Kashyyyk go faighinn Jehan. Stomlink? Sporlink? Oh, I kind of go agus go faighinn go bínathe díorn ar san Dathomir go ceast. Tíreachar san a bhí ar Dathomir. Okay. Edit it. Pick. And now this HED unseen stormtroopers.
Just open the way for the Empire.
Joe Fang. Ooh. She needs you. Nicht. Ich go show you. Oh, I'm vacant in this. I should fail. Ooh, I risked it on him. Oops. Yeah. Now we Jedi. Oops. Oh, okay. Hello, Thachair. Ah, and then go push if like is air in the rocket and hey. Shouldn't anwa. Schön. Sitting. Ah, ich denke auch Licht. What? I'm a ton now. Yeah, Licht.
Move in.
Okay. I'm fine. Yeah, I can
Getting a strange feeling from this one. Ancient Zeffo gathered here. I wonder why.
Cavel and stormtrooper Ayla. Sit down.
Oh, all right then. So what was in there?
Stiùireadh seann lightsaber.
Hey! Something we can use?
Just twice. for sin go bra. Bhealach an bhí pútaigh ar haíoch ann ó léin bug. Oh. Oh, no, had that at me. Ah. Okay. Ah, gaan we weer zo'n Jenny nu. Okay, and the die show had in cad colachri and a spiritual successor and a good gaming Jedi Knight. I didn't know you shouldn't come out in an Xbox actually. Jedi Academy. She knows of my oh I got all that she is.
What is this? Continue excavating. I want rare artifacts, not useless trinkets.
You do know. Stuff couldn't go cheaply and die shot. Shinjirach and that is Ekarami minute. Oops. Nope. Yes, Rasha here. Just to the shock a Thachair Cheana on Earth, Ashen. Okay, fucking God, call it in Sean gave me a Jedi Knight. But you know it's part Hardy on a Jedi Academy to character I contain. Gonna be my bheil because I'm ripped on the end of the night. Where's Thachair? Sinn. It's Sinn.
I'll check it out.
Jotans. Sinner there da-thaobhach in the stormtroopers. Dreaming Jotans like in Gresh.
An Imperial officer was trying to hide a relic down here. There was a cave-in. She became trapped and never escaped.
Oh. Ionnsaich.
Help! BD1!
Machine.
Oh, all right then. What was in there?
Thachair Cheana. Sgaoileadh. Na seann and a sgaoileadh. We're all yell it. So can me meditate. Back. Everett na chaibh bullach a tiction. As na Gemikins Dark Souls, we've had all ga bonfire. Chanil hana na hulavistin ulag chimpia a dhíist. Was it in Probably suppose you can set a shot. Ach over an sgaoileadh and an sgaoileadh again earson. And a shot. Anyway, look at the thing. Oh, okay. It's just look at the sun. Oh. It's fiction. It either sgaoileadh Persona how written Jean beyond it how gal fosh.
Help! Stim!
See if I can pass and shout it to get my shot. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh.
BD1?
Oh. Nada de este. Sin este. Cast. Jay has this on here. That's creator in the show. I come in the worst me. Bad eye from Thachair. Sana there's no lack of mine dash. Catch a stormtrooper shin there. Good. Okay. Four sgaoileadh comes on chin. Shin. Okay. Sin nua ana an ist. Oops.
I'll take him down. Heard you. You're too quick. How are we supposed to hit him? Your turn.
Oh. Yeah.
Smash him. I'll get all the rewards for this.
He's just
losing this.
yeah. Where's that at? So cabhis sin a dal a bídí hen.
Stim. Patched up. Good job.
Exclamation. Sliad sias ar a Russian. Osh, egal. Sgaoileadh. Barach force. Na dhearm. Doing just scampling. Bach a gran and a heach a ocean scampling.
He was killed by a cave-in. Imperial excavation is making these tunnels unstable.
Okay, now faighinn. Encouraged. Okay, now scampling acting so I can be. This. Agus go faighinn ferrigeid. Fast caran dúireach scampling paradise na sa thuáide. Hello, Harwich. Vision spicy.
In the name of the Emperor, kill!
Oh, Kosha.
There is no escape from us. He's on the move. You can't stop us. Got a hit on the
Purge
target.
Trooper.
You're going to bleed.
I don't know.
I can take him myself. I will make you suffer. We will wipe out all traitors. Get in here. I'll slice your ribbons. The Jedi's injured.
Stim, here!
He's using stims to recover. Your resistance is futile. We shall run you down.
Jeez, Jack.
Come forward, Jedi.
Flinching. Off of. Like ironic fed in first place. Oh,
I won't
Thachair.
let up.
See ya. I just took down a trooper wearing black and red armor. The same type from Braca.
A purge trooper. Their only purpose is to hunt Jedi.
Are the Inquisitors coming?
It's possible, but we're far from Braca. They might think purge troopers are enough. Or they could be stalling you on purpose. Stay wary.
Wolf.
That's an excellent find. It will need my personal evaluation.
Come back here. What was in there?
Airson. Lightsaber. Oh. Dhaoine leis an BDA. Nah, tell him to BDA. Hi. Ah. Aye. Agus céimi an pain go seo go deach. Oh, jeez sin. Force. Burst slow. Nah, we get enhanced burst. Mission. But I mean, three go fíochainn rí sé force a ghlach agus chanéal leantainn come an asco. Ach, aye. Hello, Harwich. Ah. Hello, Harwich. Hello. Touch it, bro. Hello, Harwich.
You see her? I'm under an Imperial dig site. We got a lot further than we thought.
We can't worry about that now. The Empire identified you as the Jedi from Braca. They're searching for the Mantis as we speak.
Can't you move the Mantis?
It's too risky to start the engine. Its power discharge will draw their attention immediately.
I'll be back as fast as I can.
Julian Vantis. Snursin et al. Khashik. Brain Rina Wookiees. No Wookie in. No Wookie? Okay, yeah, I can. Can I be Rachaibh? Sgaoileadh, yes. Okay. Let's go. Cinnamentus. Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, I kind of read it, Jesus. Oh. Shin? Nah.
Cal, we've got a walker firing on us, and our weapons are down.
Okay.
Is that him? Tell him he better get his butt.
Hold on, I'm on my way.
Hello, Thachair. Yeah. Yeah. Your force sgaoileadh. ATST. Feichainn. Chicken walker. Oh! We do the airson. Oh.
Nice work out there, kid. Hey, you got some real moves on you.
Oh,
Just tell me that this visit wasn't for nothing.
I found the tomb of a Zeffo sage. They definitely use the Force.
An advanced civilization of Force wielders who mysteriously vanished. No wonder Master Cordova became so obsessed with them. What else did you find?
Before they disappeared, the Zeffo journeyed to the planet Kashyyyk.
Oh.
Cordova had a Wookiee friend named Tarful. Maybe we can find him.
Sheik, look, things are really bad down there. The Empire's muscling in on those Wookiees big time.
Then we better get ready for a fight.
I think this lifestyle suits you. Fighting that walker seems to have made you more confident. So, how are you holding up?
I mean, with the Force?
Yes, with the Force. I know you said it could be overwhelming.
Haven't gotten myself killed yet. Rather not talk about it.
Yeah, well, I understand. More than you realize.
Why'd you choose to stop using the Force?
When the Purge started, and our clone troops turned against us, my Padawan and I took several younglings and we went into hiding. But we didn't last long. Imperial Patrol was about to discover our location, so I tried to lure them away from my Padawan Trilla. She stayed behind with the younglings, but they caught me. And they tortured me. They wanted to know about the others and how many were left, but mostly they wanted to know about Cordova and where he went.
But you escaped.
No, it was a prison riot. I saw my opportunity and I took it. But they almost broke me. And I am not the same as I was, Cal.
Your Padawan. Did Did she survive?
No.
Oh. Hamis when she
But that's why
get the very bia. We spent
we
you
can't
get
let
in
the
darn a
sacrifice
pure
of those
inche.
closest to us be for nothing.
Sin ambitious mention to you. Go to go a cat. Ambitious and yeah, get an inquisitor and seann Padawan like
Hey, Grease, what's this thing?
What? You've never seen a terrarium before?
Sure, but don't they usually have plants in them?
Well, I've been a bit busy hauling you around the galaxy, but you know, you could pay me back with some seeds.
I thought you hated nature.
When it's out there, you betcha. But when it's behind a comfortably thick wall of embarred glass, that's perfection.
All right, I'll see if I can find any.
cast. Alle die nu pikken opdracht hier een lightsaber. Dus nu zijn we zo'n beetje Jeshal. Zijn het you? GT and resolve. Dat is een GT and resolve or something. Pikken. Dus ik wil of ik hem wel ergens was dan mag toch een Baron campaign. Oh, Stormshin. GT and resolve. Yeah, should go with resolve again. Agus. Well, stop that Baron campaign. Agus. Osmiridium. Still Osmiridium, Jimmy and Dearest. Nah, Osmiridium. Agus. Stop nou, vaak is je niet elkaar mee het raast. Agus sin ac a bheith, so you get statue na hen, agus nu sin na Rachaibh, táiscí sin Kashyyyk, hí sin na wiki sa Janu, agus mar a cúsin. Grís chunneal cúsin at olca ma, gan na wikis. So we switch go bhfuil sin le dathúid le cáil agus le siar go bhfuil sin na feighinn an buai a heic an ímpirach na haiad Janu agus an heic a rit mór kind of traumatic a seo iad a ddíisteach go so switching go bhfuil sin barach sin iad a héit sin Kashyyyk. Ach, san dráasta, can mi tíri agus chimi yna heachgain sif. Taingur san bhínam chuideach